Hi, my name is Olivia Webb, and I'm the Outreach Coordinator here at iFixit.com, and I just got back from testifying at a right to repair hearing in Washington State. So I first heard about right to repair when somebody I knew started working at iFixit, and they were telling me about all the advocacy work that iFixit does to fight for the right to repair and all of the e-waste that we generate as a society when we throw away our phones. I always had thought that if I bought an iPhone or any kind of phone, that was mine and I owned it and I could do whatever I want with it, but it turned out that the people who made it thought differently and they wanted to control what I did with my property, and I didn't really like that. So when I first found out about the opportunity to testify in Washington, I was really nervous about it, and I was really scared that these lawmakers and legislators wouldn't really want to listen to the testimony of just a young girl, and that I would fall apart and not know what I was talking about. But then I realized that any voice helps, and that I had an experience and a passion that would help advance the right to repair in Washington, which could lead to right to repair in other states and across the nation. So I was really excited to share my voice. So there were a lot of different people there to testify in favor of right to repair. There were business owners and repair shop owners who had been repairing customers' phones for years. We had researchers and even a YouTuber who was there to share the footage and his experience. And I came as a general consumer. I wanted to share my story and my experience of repair. You definitely do not have to be officially involved in any organization or even own a repair shop to testify for right to repair, or even just to fight for it. I'm just an average person, and I just really was passionate about what I saw and just took the first opportunity that I had. So if you want to get involved in right to repair, it's easier than I thought, or maybe you think. A great first step is to go to repair.org. They have lots of information about the active bills in every state, and also ways for you to contact your senators and representatives, and just general information about the right to repair movement. Trust me, it's easier than you think. If I can go all the way to Washington to testify in a hearing, you can call your senator.